Hi guys, I'm back with another weekly vlog. I took a bit of a break again last week. I got a bit of burnout. I've been saying yes to doing like everything. I think because from before it was so rare to like have all these things planned and so rare to like see so many friends and catch up with people that I've just given myself a bit of burnout and I've just overdone it. So I had a bit of a break last week, did get my hair cut, which I'm super happy about. The bangs, the fringe, whatever you want to call it. I'm very happy with it. I also they thinned my hair out, which has been so good because it was getting so hot and I just was keeping up all the time because I couldn't bear to have it down. It was just too warm. This week it's just about a bit of stillness and finding some calm in the chaos. The weather is looking amazing. It's 30 degrees today. It's so hot. Luckily our flat is super well temperature regulated, so I have got trousers on. I actually got these really nice balloony style trousers from COS. I had them saved for so long and then I just couldn't find them anywhere because they sold out. All the Insta girlies did their job so well and sold them out, but I found them on Vinted, so I literally snapped them up straight away. I will be going out later and I think it is not trouser weather out there. It is so hot. But yesterday it was like 28 degrees. I did a tennis lesson in the morning before work, which was really fun. I'm trying to build a good relationship with sports, and I think when you're doing something like tennis that doesn't feel like exercise, it's just quite enjoyable. I was rubbish. I haven't played tennis ever before, and we were literally just practicing hitting the ball, which was fun, but it was quite hard. Basically was doing everything wrong, and I'm left-handed as well, so I feel like everyone else in the class was right-handed, so I was having to do it the opposite. But no, it was a really nice, fun activity and a nice way to start the week before work. We went to a cafe afterwards and just had coffee and did a bit of work from there. I've got another dentist appointment and then I might head home at the weekend, but I'm still not sure. I'm still figuring that out. I did just get a really exciting package come through. So you might have seen in my last vlog I was putting up some curtains from IKEA in our living room, which is just here. And one of them was missing, so we've got one window that has no curtain, and basically Irina, who I'm going to link her Instagram down below, we've been speaking on Instagram for probably the past month about creating a curtain for the space. Irina creates these beautiful sun curtains. They're so stunning. So we've kind of been back and forth about what colours to go for and things like that, and created this amazing curtain, and it just arrived, so I'm super excited. I'm going to put that up now and I just know that it's gonna look incredible. Okay, this is my outfit today. This top is giving Gabrielle Solis in Desperate Housewives. It's very cute. I haven't actually worn it yet. Definitely needs an iron. And then these trousers and these shoes. Kind of 70s-ish with the hair. I've got a meeting now and then I'm gonna head and have a little wander around Central, I think, because I'm hardly ever free and around there. So I thought that'd be quite nice. And then I've got a boxing thing later, which I've never done boxing and I'm a little bit scared, but yeah, it's really warm, so maybe I'm gonna get changed. I'm not too sure yet, but yeah, that's the vibe. This is my outfit. I'm just off to the dentist today. It's a little bit colder, but yeah, classic outfit. Hey guys, I don't know if you can hear me over the rain. It is a torrential thunderstorm out there. It feels like a tropical storm. The sun is starting to peek through though, so I feel like it might be passing, but the rain is just it's going crazy. It's actually quite green out there, which is really nice because I feel like when you have hot weather normally it is just barren, but it's actually quite nice. And there was just the loudest thunderclap and I jumped out of my skin. It was so scary. I'm just having a bit of me time, enjoying the rain. I'm going to eat some dinner in a minute, got back into journaling. I feel like I'm really trying to embrace the slow paces and little bits of moments of life at the moment. There's been so much tragedy recently or this year, and I think it's been quite humbling, and I think it really makes you realise how precious life is and how important these little moments are. And I think journaling's been such a great tool for me this year in just getting it all out, you know. I used to religiously keep journals at school, and then in a moment of madness I burnt them all and just was like, get rid of it. So now I feel like I have nothing of my teenage years, because journaling is obviously such a big, I don't know, you write so much personal life things in it, and all those feelings, and I feel like they've just been kind of gone. But maybe that's a good thing. I think that's what I was going for when I burnt them. But this has been the first year since that I have been journaling, and I've been keeping this journal, which I got from TK Maxx for like £2, and it's so beaten up and barren, but you know what, that's the purpose of it. I think I might do a video about this if you guys would like to see, because I am such a perfectionist. I put it off for so long doing a journal again, because I thought, well, I have to write about what I'm doing, I have to keep it really strict, but I found a really good video, and I'm going to gatekeep this until I do this video if you guys want to see it, because it was just basically about how journaling can be whatever you want and you don't have to put pressure on yourself for it. So maybe I will resume. Maybe I'll share that if you guys are interested. But yeah, I'm coming to the end of this journal, and it has just been a very helpful tool this year in particular. But I hope you guys are all well. The storm is passing, the sun is coming out, and yeah, just keep on keeping on. Happy Friday. I thought I would come and sit back down and do a little chatty catch up while I do my makeup, because I quite liked doing that before. It is so warm. It's definitely cooling off. It's not so sunny out there, but I think the heat is just sticking around a little bit. But today it's Friday. I'm just gonna catch up on some jobs for myself today. I think the hardest thing about being self-employed is organising your time. It kind of feels like when you're at uni and you have like all these deadlines and things, and you're just like, oh, I need to do this, I need to do that. That's kind of how I describe it. And I always thought I was an organised person, but honestly, I just feel like I've just been a bit chaotic recently. So the organisation's not there. So today I'm going to get organised. I watched Damon Dominique's video about his Notion tour this morning to give me some inspo. So I'm going to go on Notion. I did used to use Notion, but I just fell out of the routine of using it. Like I used to do it every Sunday. I'd I'd go on my Notion board, and then I'd like go through all of my tasks and like write things to do at the week and like keep myself updated on tasks and stuff like that. But I just fell out of the loop with remembering to use it, and then it's like way back when. So that is kind of my priority today. And then I got a very fun delivery of some stuff for the room. So the bedroom is looking a mess. Please don't judge me. Working with Cult Furniture, so they've sent a rug and a chair, so I'm going to film that little bedroom transformation. I also ordered some IKEA curtains, which are being delivered today, and I'm just gonna do a little bedroom transformation, which is kind of exciting, because I feel like I've really neglected this space. It's such a lovely room, but I just haven't been giving it the time and the attention that it needs. But that's kind of my plan, and then I'm probably gonna go to the cafe to get some more work done and meet my friend, because she's working there today. But that's my POA. And then tonight, I kind of forgot, we're going to Ria's, which is this pizza, look how crazy that looks, this pizza restaurant in Notting Hill, and they do a deep fried Mars bar on the dessert menu, which I think is like kind of insane that they're selling that as like a dessert in like a fancy restaurant. So for sure I'm going to be ordering that, without a doubt, because that sounds like a bit of me. But no, I'm feeling a bit more optimistic. I think last night I was feeling very like emotional. Do you ever get that? They always say that you don't have a good thought past 10 p.m. or even 9 p.m. and I so agree. Like, never act on those thoughts in the evening, because I feel like it's never ever a good idea. So yeah, I'm feeling much more optimistic today. I don't know if I look a little bit like this doesn't work, but I'm feeling much more optimistic, ready for the day and the weekend ahead. But I hope you guys are all keeping well and feeling good too. It's going to be a great weekend.